Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor font size when it cannot be edited or changed. This is a common frustration that many WordPress users face, but the solution is actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. Here you'll see a list of all your website pages. Choose the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor interface where you can make your adjustments. Now, locate the text widget where the font size won't change. Click directly on it to select it. You'll notice that when you click on any element in Elementor, the left panel updates to show settings specific to that element. This is where we'll make our changes. In the left panel, look for and click the Style tab, which is represented by a paintbrush icon. This tab contains all the visual styling options for your selected element. Once you're in the Style tab, find and expand the Typography section if it's currently collapsed. This section controls all text-related properties, including font family, weight, and size. Next, click the pencil icon next to Typography to open the full font settings. This reveals all the detailed controls for your text appearance. Here, you should see a size slider or input field. Use this to adjust your font size. For example, you can enter something like 20px directly into the field, or drag the slider to your desired size. Sometimes simply re-entering the value can force the change to take effect. If you're upgraded to Elementor Pro and the standard size control still isn't working, you have another option. Click the Advanced tab at the top of the left panel, then scroll down to find the Custom CSS section. Here you can add CSS code directly to override any conflicting styles. Type in selector space curly bracket space font hyphen size colon space 20px space exclamation mark important semicolon space closing curly bracket. Adjust the value to whatever size you need. The exclamation mark important ensures this style takes priority over other conflicting rules. Finally, make sure to save your work by clicking Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. Give it a moment to save, and your font size changes should now be applied and visible on your page. You've now fixed the Elementor font size issue using either the standard typography controls or custom CSS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.